Hi, in this video, we will show how to add a dedicated shop reviews page to your Shopify store. Here's how to do it. Go to Online Store and create a new page. To do that, click on Pages and Add Page. Here, give your new page a title. In this case, it will be Reviews. Here, in the template, you must choose Opinew or Reviews. Then click Save. Now that we created the page, we need to add it to the navigation bar. So to do that, we go to Navigation and click on Main Menu. After that, we select Add Menu Item. In name, we can write reviews as well. In link, we choose Pages and Reviews. That's the page we just created. Then click Add, and after that, Save Menu. That's it. If you now go to your shop, you'll see Reviews was added to the home page, and if you click it, you'll see the new dedicated Reviews page.